G'day folks, welcome to tonight's show. I'm heading down through Royal George on my way for something different because I'm on the adventure bike. Let's make it an adventure. Grab yourself a bevy, kick back and enjoy the show. Let's go. And we're on the gravel. Here we go. So we're just going to dodge along because I need the practice, and yeah, I need the practice. Skill level is 0, and we'll try and keep left. Correct side of the road, I should say, so we're not confusing anybody. That's what we're here for, an adventure, remember? Alright, I need to concentrate, so I'll get back to you soon. Okay, so we've just had our first bit of adventure. I've mucked up the coordinates on the GPS. I've got to stick to the old coach road and not go off that other turn off where the GPS was sending me. So away we go. Stick to the old coach road, anybody that comes this way and is heading down. Road's in pretty good condition. I thought I just switched to illegal, that's why I flipped the camera back on, but he might have been in the paddock on the other way about there. So I come around the corner of the road, deviated quickly. Bugger. So I just want to show you my setup for today on the Tiger. So I've never done moto camping as such, as chuck the stuff in the back of the ute or the four-wheel drive and go camping by a river or a creek with a fishing rod. So this is all very new to me. It does feel quite balanced. I've got basically camera gear in the top box there at the back. I have got some food stuffs and some extended camera gear in that side panel, and then I've got some clothes. And I think I've even got a camera in there, so I'm here to film. So I'm going to grab as much footage as I possibly can. I've got some personal items there on the tank bag, the gloves and stuff there. I'm running finally got the GPS set up on the bike, so I've got that running there today, using that. But that's the setup with it so far. It's I'm struggling on the gravel roads with the weight, but that's just a confidence thing more than anything. I'll just persevere with that, and hopefully that'll just come. Each time I come out, I'll gain a little bit more confidence, I'm sure that next time I'm on a gravel road without all that gear on. Yeah, I'm good, mate. Thank you. Without all that gear on, I will feel heaps better. So that was nice. That bloke stopped there just to check on me. I didn't think this road would get too much traffic, so there you go. Thank you, sir. I will be stopping at Swansea. I'll grab something to eat, and I've got to grab some water to take into camp. So let's get into it. through the other side. I think we're nearly at the Tasman Highway. A couple of kilometres down here. It's starting to look very familiar territory to me, with the vineyards and co. So that was a very pleasant way to come down the coast a different way. Definitely doable in just motor car. I'll just be mindful of the gravel roads with a couple of tight pinches, but yeah, I really enjoyed that, and it didn't seem to take very long at all to get to the coast, probably because I'm concentrating on the gravel road maybe, but that was great. Check it out. Just starting to get a bit marbly here. I think this is the turn off. Yeah, we're back on the bitumen here. Look. Nice. That's it. We're done. Old Coach Road. Thanks for coming along.